Good morning guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Today I'm at Pearl Beach, which is about an hour south of where I live, and I've come down here this morning. It's a weekday morning, so it's really quiet down here, and I'm down at the Pearl Beach rock pool, which is at the southern end of the beach. I was here about 2 days ago and there's quite a heavy swell running. Came down here and I thought it'd be a really good place to do a vlog from, so I've come back this morning lower and the swell is subdued quite a bit, so I'm going to get my camera set up. I'm down here based by the rock pool at Pearl Beach. Just a beautiful little quiet little bay here on the edge of the coast, and just thought it'd be a nice place to get some images of the rock pool with the sunrise. This morning we've got quite a bit of cloud cover coming across. There's a change due later today which is going to be quite severe in an east coast low, so there's quite a bit of moody sky around, so hoping I can pick up some images here this morning. I'll come back and talk to you once I get my camera set up. Well, it appears we've got a really interesting sky coming up this morning. We've got a lot of dark clouds streaking across the sky here, and we're just starting to get a little bit of glow on the horizon. I've set my composition up and I've gone for a vertical composition, and I'm down low and I'm using these rocks here in front of me with all this beautiful texture through them as a leading line. There's a small pool of water here from a shower of rain last night. I'm going to use that in my foreground. I'm going to use the rock pool here in the midground, and then obviously the headland and the hills on the other side in the background. But so far we've got potential for a really nice morning here, and hopefully we'll grab some images. We're about 10 minutes away from sunrise and we're just starting to get a little bit of glow on the horizon. I'm hopeful that the cloud will stay apart and separated like that, not completely cloud in like it has over on this far side. The sun's actually going to rise just around the headland, but I'm hoping it'll illuminate these clouds as it comes through. I'll just show you my composition. I've actually gone for a vertical composition on this one, and I'm using all these beautiful textured rocks in the foreground as a leading line into the image. I've got the rock pool in the midground, and then off in the distance I've got the headland up on the top rule of thirds on the left hand side of the frame. I'm hoping that I can use these rocks in the foreground as an anchor for the image to try and draw the eye and then lead the eye into what will be a beautiful sky hopefully out in the distance. But yeah, just a really interesting morning, so fingers crossed we might get some colour. Well, sunrise is right about now. We've just got the tiny little bit of colour on the horizon, but I think most of the colour has been muted by this heavy cloud. I'm just hoping that as the sun rises a little bit more, I might be able to get some light rays peeking through there and still improve this image, but I don't want to give up on it because I've got a really nice composition, so I'm just going to hang it out here and see if I can get some colour on that horizon. Currently I'm focused about 1/3 into the frame in these rocks in the foreground. I'm focusing on them. I'm sitting on F11 and currently that's giving me a shutter speed of around about 4 seconds. Obviously that shutter speed will quicken up a lot as the light comes across more, but I'm just keeping my fingers across. The foreground's certainly working. I just need a little bit of colour in the sky to make this shot work, but yeah, great little location. I'm glad I came down here and found this one today. This is what I've been waiting for. I'm just starting to get that little bit of colour in the top of these dark clouds, and I've got a really nice bit of colour in the top of my frame and out on the far horizon. Just a beautiful sky this morning, and yeah, really starting to pop. So I'm using a 2-second timer F11 at 1.3 seconds. I've actually popped in the second graduated filter at the moment. changed my composition to a vertical composition, and I'm using these rocks. And what I'm trying to do is fire the shot just as the light water spills over the top of these rocks and then runs away. I'm getting some really nice results. Every now and then a wave comes in like this one. So I'm just keeping a close eye on it, moving away, and I'll just wait for the swell to dissipate. Sun's well and truly up now, and I've just come down and I'm getting a shot here of the corner of the pool, and I'm trying to get a bit of white water splashing over the top of the pool. Bit of a minimalist. It might even end up being a black and white type of image. Just waiting for a wave to come through like this, splash over the edge of the pool, and then I'll fire the shot. That seems to be working really well. I'm currently going at about a 1.6 second shutter speed, and when the white water is running over and into the pool here, I'm getting some really nice streaking effects, which creates a leading line out into the out of the foreground into the horizon. I'm trying to get the corner of the rock formation up here on the top third of the frame, so it leads the viewer's eye into the image and out across there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that so far. Just a simple technique, a 2-second timer, slow shutter speed, a couple of filters on the top of the camera, and just to get that motion blur. But yeah, it worked really well. That turned out to be a pretty successful morning. I managed to capture a couple of images here. The sky wasn't fantastic, but certainly I'm happy with what I got. Actually came down here the other day and I took a couple of long exposures early in the morning, which I'll put up at the end of the vlog with these photos. In the last couple of weeks, as some of you might have noticed, I've actually put an L bracket on my camera, and I heard a lot about L brackets before I had one, and it's been a real game changer for me to be able to go from portrait to landscape, orientation or reverse really quickly without having to flop the tripod over to one side and having the camera off balance. Certainly even for shooting panoramas, I've done quite a few panoramas in the last couple of weeks. Vertical composition, been able to quickly change, set the camera up straight across the top of the tripod. So when I'm stitching my shots together in a vertical composition on a panorama, I can stitch the shots together much more evenly. When the camera was off to one side, flopped down to that side, it made it really difficult to shoot big panoramas. I've been lucky enough the last couple of weeks, although I didn't vlog them, I actually caught 2 really nice panoramas around here. I'll put those up at the end of the vlog as well. But yeah, if you haven't got one, do like I did, get out, spend the money and buy one. They're definitely worth it if you're shooting landscapes. That turned out to be a great morning here. I managed to capture a couple of images, and I'll put those images up at the end of this vlog. Plus I'll also put up some of the images I've captured over the last couple of weeks that I haven't been vlogging. A couple of panoramas I captured around here that I'm really happy with. I'll put them all up at the end of the vlog so you can check those out as well. But yeah, stunning little spot, Pearl Beach Rock Pool. Definitely happy I come down here. I haven't been down this part of the coast before, but it was a great place to come this morning and capture some images, so really happy with that. completes this vlog today from Pearl Beach, Rock Pearl. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, you know what to do. Go down below, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you haven't been here before, then please consider subscribing. Tap the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. If you have a comment or a question, leave them below. I'll always try and respond. Hopefully I'll be around shooting some more landscape soon. I'll see you then.